in the 4th and the 5th year, they will be indifferent about you. And after 5 years, they will actually start treating you like a hero. Because they will respect you for what you have been during the past 5 years. You have stuck to one goal. You know, if you can stick with one idea for 5 years, that's true love. Else you are just flirting with success. Just flirting. And that is not at all productive in life. So I resigned, started a company called Success Monks, recently wrote a book called 16 Keys to Success, and this is what I do every day of my life. I just can't wait to get out of the bed to go and talk to people and share ideas with them. Mondays I am whistling, you better check out my status updates on Monday mornings. I'm really happy and I'm really excited. You know, you think, have you seen those parents that father would be tired and return home after the long days of hours of work, and the son would say, Papa, let's go and play, and dad would say, just go away. And then he would say, Papa, then he would slap it back. Now, do you think if a son, if a kid comes to me and says, Papa, let's play, first of all, why will he call me Papa? But, even if he calls me Papa, do you think I'm going to slap him? No. I would say, yeah, let's go and play, because my work is a source of energy for me. And your work has to be a source of energy for you, else just leave it. Leave it. Most people are, they are so much charged up with negativity that they would continue to do what they hate doing. Don't ever do that to your life. Don't ever. Entrepreneurship is not an ROI question. Why you should be an entrepreneur? I'm giving you the reason. If you want to be happy, healthy and wise, and if you want to be rich, be an entrepreneur. How to be an entrepreneur is here. What are the 10 things that you love doing? It's very easy. All of you know what are the 10 things that you love doing. Okay, yes or no? Yes. Now just ask yourself this question. What are the 3 or 5 professions associated with it? I love talking to people. Why? Because for the first 5 months I did not make any money. And after 5 months what I made was 17,000, and if you calculate on a monthly basis I made 2,500 per month. That is what a poor guy or a rickshawala makes. Even more than that, I had the option to view it, my business idea as a failure or my business idea as a success. I chose success. So you have to wait for some time. Even a human baby takes 9 months to come out, guys. Wait for 9 months, 1 year, and then you will start understanding the things. You do not need money to start. Most of the people think that they need money to start. I started both my businesses. One is a theatre company and another one is this Success Monks with capital of less than 5,000. 5,000, I bought so many books. I started reading them, delivered my first talk, then got a check, then again bought more books, then started reading them, then again and again and again and again. That's how I recycled money. If it ever happens, it's up to you. Take action. God will not make you an entrepreneur because it is not his job, right? Don't wait for that opportunity to fall into your lap. That will never come. Be ready for some sacrifices, because now after whatever I've done, I have an encouraging mother, I have a proud father, I have happy friends. But when it comes to love life, it's over. And I assume that I have an unhappy ex-girlfriend. I'm assuming, I don't know. But it's okay. But trust me, it's worth it. Because when you are leaving this world and when you are at the last corner of your life, you know what? Right now you are in your 20s and it appears that you have got loads and loads of time with you. But a time will come when you will be 90 years of age. And imagine you are lying on that deathbed and your grandson is playing cricket right next to your bed. And your son comes and says, "Beta, यहाँ पे cricket मत खेलो, दादाजी को बहुत लग जाएगी." And your grandson replies, "दादाजी के पास time ही कितना बचा है जो बहुत लग जाएगी." It appears rude, but that's going to happen. I've seen that happening. You know how grandkids sometimes talk to their grandparents. What do you think that 70-year-old or a 60-year-old guy is thinking to himself when he's sitting alone and basking under the sun? You think कि पागल हो गए हैं, सटिया गए हैं, वो कुछ सोचते नहीं है. He's just thinking that how he has wasted his life. And there is nobody who just goes to that individual. One thing that I always do whenever I am free, I go to the oldies. I sit with them. I talk to them. Tell me what are the 10 biggest regrets of your life. Blah, blah, blah. And I'm noting it down like anything. And these are pure distilled wisdom. Pure distilled wisdom that comes out. So if you ever get an opportunity, just go and speak to a 60-year-old, 70-year-old person. 2 minutes वो कुछ और बोलेंगे, लेकिन उसके बाद whatever starts coming, that's pure wisdom. Most of the people think, ha 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 ha, look at what a waste of time, he's just sitting under the sun. He's just regretting. Sorry. So he's just regretting. So, that is going to happen. But imagine, there are 4 hypothetical creatures standing right next to your bed. One is your skills, your talents, your dreams, your passion, and they are looking at you with eyes full of anger. That we came into this world for you, and now we must leave because you did not use us. Don't ever do that. That's nothing short of a tragedy. So I wrap up my presentation. Did I dare to dream? Did I live my dream? And did I share my dream? These are the only three questions that you will ask. And finally, in case you like the presentation, this is my email ID, and if there is any way in which I can help you in discovering your passion and doing something about it, I would be more than happy. With this email ID, you can find me on Facebook and drop me a message if you liked the presentation or hated it. Your feedback helps me in improving. Thank you so much.